Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another plan with me. Today I'm going to be using just this little thin washi tape because I want to show you how I create my planners for close to nothing. In fact, I just went and grabbed a handful of stickers. Some of them are used already, but I wanted to just show you that you can use whatever you have to create. So I'm literally looking at these for the first time up close. So to make today's planner, basically. But I did see these, and they're from the Dollar Tree. They're foil, which is really cool. And I thought, these have a lot of pink in them. So I went and grabbed some pink washi, and I grabbed some thin stuff because I didn't know the size of everything I was using. So I'm going to just go ahead and get this started. Oh, look at that. It's actually pink and white. See, I learn new things. So I'm just going to set that down. I'm going to take my acrylic ruler, and that always gives me a nice, clean tear, so I don't have a problem with that. You could also use a credit card if you want to. And I just love doing that. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do the same here. Down at the bottom. I didn't know that it was pink and white. I thought it was light pink and dark pink. But it still works. And then I'm going to go ahead and do this side as well. And if you've watched my plan with me's at all, you would know that I do a lot on the side. I decorate not a straight up and down, but kind of have to turn everything to make it get straight like I'd like it to. And then on this one, I am going to do the bottom, but I'm going to do it half and half. I usually do a whole entire bottom, but this time I'm going to do it half and half. Not that you could tell so much, but I just wanted to make sure it was two separate little boxes today. Oh gosh, I haven't done like a Washi Wednesday in a long time. I might want to do something like that, huh? Now I'm going to put one more right up here. Reason I say Washi Wednesday is because I'm going to be doing multiple videos today, filming for the week, because I have a few things due. My global stamping is due. I have a show and tell that's due. Look how cute. You can be done. You don't have to keep going. So just do whatever you'd like when you are planning. Decorate. If you only have washi tape, just use washi tape. That's easy enough, right? There we go. All right, let's go ahead and move on and get some stickers down here. You can use pencils or pens to give yourself some decoration. It doesn't have to be, you know, stickers or anything like that. But I just saw this little banner here, and that is super cute. So I'm going to stick this. Now, these are from Scarlet Lime, the Planner Society. But let's give ourselves a little weekend banner here. I think I saw a planner. Yep. I'm going to grab one of these planners, and we'll put it on our Monday, because it is Monday, and that's when I sit down and start planning. Actually, I'm going to set it like this at an angle. There we go. I'm going to set these off to the side for right now and look at some of my other stickers that I have. You just look and see what you've got. So we've got a You've Got This sticker. I definitely think I need that. We've got over here, we've got our to-do lists. And I put this watch because, you know, watching different television shows and whatnot, but I'm going to actually put this, well, I'm actually going to stick that here on my Wednesday because I know I have a busy Wednesday. So again, I move my sheet around. I don't try and line up my sticker. I line up my paper to where I have my sticker. So we've got that. I'm going to actually put a little check mark list. Even though I have other lists, sometimes your days just have lists. So feel free to put those lists on there. And then I have a little tiny square right here, so I'm going to go back and find one of those cute little guys here and make this little bird looking at what we've got today. There we go. Okay. I'm also gonna, these stickers are so cute. I think on the notes I'm gonna put this little guy and anchor this down right here. That's so cute. And you'll see all of my different colors, the pinks are completely different pinks. So just go with a theme or a color, you know. It doesn't all have to match up. So that says notes, but I'm going to put and change it to match. So it says take note. So same exact thing. And let's see here. Now this is completely different. So instead of having a to-do, if you don't want to use that yellow, go for something else. Go for a reminder or something like that. So I don't really have things to buy, so I'm just going to have a reminder right here. And then if you have to do things this week, you can just change it. So I've got a goals here. If you don't want to have your goals for the week, just stick on here this week. And you've got that taken care of. Just make this your own. And I don't know, I don't think I've mentioned it, but this is my planner printable. I have it free on my blog. Just go to beautyandthestamper.com and you can print it out yourself. Again, completely free for you. And I've got this You've Got This sticker. I definitely want that on here. And I'm going to stick it on here on my Thursday. Because I don't know about you. Like, I know everybody's like, oh, Wednesday, that's the hard day. But for me, Thursdays are my hard days. Like, I just need to remember that we've got this. We're halfway through the week. We're on the downslide. I'm also going to, instead of my to-do list, I'm going to put my don't forget list. And then for my watch, I'm going to put schedule. So completely change this the way you want. Now for this one, I'm going to put, instead of the 2 lists, I'm going to put Make It Happen and then Reminder right below it. There we go. Oh my goodness, I'm loving it. I like the greens and the pinks that are working together. I'm going to come back here with some of these little stickers again and just decorate. We've got some self-care going on, so my self-care is going to be these little lemonades, because you need to take your time. And then for gratitude, I'm going to use these little roses here. Well, I was going to use 2 roses, but I think I'm good with just the 1 rose. And I'm going to move this one and have it over here with the self-care. There we go. Oh, so cute. Now we've got this side here. We've got our bird looking that way. And then I'm going to put this little bird right down here looking that way. We've got our habit tracker, and I'm going to leave that just like that, but I am going to put this one that says Get It Girl right there. Loving this. I'm not going to add any yellow in here. I'm going to take this, write it down, and put it right here. Super cute. And then I think, I'm going to look at what other stickers. These say calendar stickers. These are from Heidi Swap. Again, not knowing what's in here, but I saw a little bit of pink, so let's look here and see what kind of stickers. Oh, look at that. Enjoy the little things, work hard, stay humble. I love that. So I think what I'm going to do is go right here with the perfectly imperfect. I'm going to stick that right here in the middle of my day for Tuesday. And I also am going to, I'm looking at this one or this one. I think I'm going to use this Stay Focused, Be Amazing, but I don't want the black. So I'm going to take my little trimmer here. And we're going to trim that. Sorry for all the noise in the background. We've got the little one. Doesn't sound like he's too happy. There we go. And now we have this Stay Focused, Be Amazing. Now I'm thinking that these are stickers after I went and did that. Yeah, they are. Okay. I'm going to start my week off with that little one there. And then I will just tear that off, keep that sticker for another time. And I think I could be done. I'm just going to look at these, see if I want any, because I thought I wanted some of these really pretty stickers, but I think we've worked with everything, and I'm going to just leave this for next time. I'm going to take another one of these guys and work in that little bird with this Stay Focused and Be Amazing. And do I have another one facing the other way? Let's see. No, but that's okay. I think we're just gonna leave it as is with that one, just like that. All right, beauties, I hope you like this layout. It was quick and easy and so pretty, and I will put a picture of it on my Instagram. Again, go to beautyandthestamper.com to get your pages to be able to go and plan along with me each Monday. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!